Start building a website today with Squarespace and use squarespace.com/cow to get 10% off.
It's the Blimey Cow Social Media Roast 2016 with your host, Jordan Taylor.
Hello everyone, hi there, hey, how's it going? Welcome to the first annual Social Media Roast. Well, you can call me Facebook because me and some of my friends are gonna poke fun at the most popular social networks out there. So let's get started. Hey Facebook, you remind me of the mall because I hate you, but I still go since that's where all my friends are.
Hey Twitter, when I click dismiss and then see fewer tweets like this, I don't really mean anything by that. I just kind of want you to keep doing exactly what you're doing. In fact, I want to see more tweets like that. Thank you.
Hey Instagram, love the new 24-hour story idea. Where'd you get that?
Hey Vine, your time limit is so short and it's hard to understand what is happening. Am I right?
Hey Snapchat, you can make a rainbow come out of my mouth, yet it still takes you 20 seconds to recognize my face.
Hey Reddit, I was thinking about starting a subreddit for my pretentious, self-important white male friends, but then I realized that's kind of the whole site.
Hey LinkedIn, please stop emailing me. I've unsubscribed like 100 times now. I don't even remember signing up for anything. I'm about to get a restraining order.
Hey Mark Zuckerberg, I heard that you stole the idea for Facebook from some guys at Harvard, but don't worry, you can just put some text over top of it and some emojis and you'll never get caught.
Hey Google Plus, you're so bad that we were literally forced to have you for years and we still don't know what you are.
Hey Snapchat, the quality of your content on any given week is completely dependent on how funny the filters are. I mean, how many more weeks is the dog filter gonna be on? I'm tired of licking things.
Hey Facebook, you're like that weird racist uncle that just wants a reaction out of me.
Hey Instagram, tell this joke. I'm gonna do like things out of order to be because I heard out of order.
Hey Facebook, why is it that whatever I've recently searched on Google ends up being a trending topic on Facebook?
Hey Pinterest, all I see on your site are workout plans and dessert recipes, but I earned this.
Hey Pokemon Go, I already have 1 million Rattatas. Thank you, but no thanks.
Hey YouTube, I feel like it's only fair that I roast you too, but I also need you to not hate me. Thank you for the AdSense money.
Hey Tinder, do you have a support group for kids who find their parents on there?
Hey Tumblr, your name doesn't make any sense. Why don't you change it to this?
Hey Twitter, I finally checked out the Moments tab on your website. I was trying to click notifications and it was a mistake I'll never make again, but I saw it.
Hey MySpace, thanks for teaching me 2 very important life lessons. First was HTML, and the second is how not to relaunch a website.
Guys, a lot of people rely on social media to get their message out there. But as we've learned today, Facebook and Twitter and all the other social networks, you can't really rely on them. That's why you need a website. Your own place on the internet where you can share your ideas and things that you work on. The best and easiest way to do this is with Squarespace. Squarespace has a ton of great templates to choose from, and you don't need to know any coding at all to build something beautiful. We built our website with Squarespace and it looks great. It's super easy to get started and you can have your site up and running in literally minutes. Plus, if you sign up for a year, you're gonna get a free custom domain. So go to squarespace.com/cow because there you're gonna get 10% off your first purchase. That's squarespace.com/cow.